So hi guys, today we're gonna clean everything on my inside of the phone. So no, don't mind it. Just don't mind what I'm doing. First we're gonna go to there we go. And we're gonna change our home screen. I like wallpaper, yeah. I really wanna choose this one. No, it's not. It's so blurry, oh my gosh. Wait, okay. It's gonna be like cute, but I don't like it because it's a little bit blurred. I think. Let's try this one, guys. If comment below if you want these, then go to a sim. I'll just get you tutorial. Let's go. My mom just bought me this, but it's actually free. So after that, let's go to the storage. Don't mind it. Okay, we're gonna undownload the things that we do again. You know what? Let's just do something. Okay, let's just wait. Let me just do some. Let's try this. Yeah, it's only like this. See, it's just like that. See, oh my gosh. Did I download some? We have to remove this one. We don't see anymore. I really don't need Mobile Legends. Wait, I still miss Mobile Legends. Nah, let's just not forget. To need you. Install, of course. Now, I think. What's next? I say okay, that's enough. So let's still go in the settings, of course. Don't mind this because if you guys are in another country, just don't mind it. No, just joking. I'm not gonna do something. So we're not gonna do something like that. The icons. This is actually free. I really want these. Let's download this. So let's just wait. I don't need the wallpaper. Just let me just check first. If I need wallpaper, I don't need a wallpaper. Oh my gosh. Don't mind that. Okay, I think it's already applied. Yep, I really like it. See, it's so beautiful. Like, don't mind that. What is this? What is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this gonna be like dark mode? What is this, guys? Oh. Oh, okay, we're doing this. We're doing like that. We're still going here. Oh my gosh, I cannot even see like that. Don't mind that. Don't mind the privacy. Oh my god. Okay, I think so. If you want these wallpaper like that, first you need to ask your mom to make to wait. So first you need to go download this one. Wait, it's themes. Yeah, these themes. Yeah, like that. If you don't have it, then go download it. And if you want free, then wait. Okay, these. Okay, let me then go search free. Yeah, and if there's like these one, that means they're not free. If you see this free one, then that means it's free. So yeah. So yeah, like yeah, my. So guys, rate this thing to 1 to 10. So yeah, if it's okay if it's lower than like that. So yeah, bye bye.